As a young boy, Galileo pouted when his parents would not allow him to stay up late and play with his new telescope. Isaac Newton pouted when the force of gravity caused him to fall down, collide with the earth, and skin his knees. Benjamin Franklin pouted when he wasn't allowed to fly his kite because he was grounded. George Washington pouted when all his teeth fell out. Napoleon pouted when all his toys were taken away and he was sent to bed without any dessert. Mark Twain pouted when he misspelled Mississippi. Thomas Edison pouted when he had to go to sleep in the dark. And Albert Einstein pouted when he could not pedal his tricycle faster than the speed of light. If history can teach us anything, it's that nothing lasts forever. Not even a pout. The pout-pout fish, his future is looking a lot brighter.